How to trim, cut, split, remove and join videos on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can trim, cut, split and remove videos on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So trimming, cutting and splitting is really simple by using your normal Photos app. All you have to do is open up a video, tap on the edit option right here on the bottom, and then you can start trimming your video. Here you can see you can trim your videos from the left, that is the beginning, and at the end, that is the last, or that is on the right hand side. So after you do that, after you trim it, you can tap on the done button on the top right corner and save this as the video itself or save it as a new clip. So that's really simple. Now if you want to cut this video, it's that simple. Just cut this video in half. You need to do 2 takes for this. Just cut this in half right now and save it as a new clip, and then come back to this video again and just do it like this and do it this and tap on done and save this as a new clip. And with that, you'll have cut your videos. Now splitting, removing and joining videos is a different thing. For that, you will need a video editing app. I recommend using InShot. It's really simple to use. So let me go back here. This is what InShot looks like. You can get it for free on your App Store or Google Play Store. So after you're here, tap on the video option, and from here tap on new button to import the video. After you do that, simply select the video that you want to edit. You can select multiple videos to join them. So first I'll show you how to join them and remove one. So if I just import 2 videos, they will come up like this here. Let me show you. This is the first one and then the second one. Now these are actually joined right here at the middle, and if you just start playing it, you'll notice that these video play one by one. So that is basically how you join videos. If you want to join more, tap on the plus button and tap on video/photo to add another video. Now if you want to remove a part, simply select the part that you want to remove. You can tap on one and long press on this to see it more clearly, and then you will see the delete button here. Tap on delete to delete the video. Now what you can do to actually split the video is there you will see split option. Tap on split and you'll have split the video. You can do that again here, and you can simply delete the part that you don't want. After you're done with the editing, tap on the share icon on the top right corner, and tap on save to save the video. And that's basically how you trim, cut, split, remove and join videos on iPhone. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.